VC, it's one of the best jobs. You get to talk to founders who are building great companies. You get to support them. You get to see them from 0 to 1. Passion thing is definitely a bit overrated. You follow curiosity enough times to see what clicks and then it becomes your passion. Smartness is now democratized. Trust, authenticity, just human relationships will always be a bigger thing. Assuming I can give you money, why should a founder take money from me? You need to have a genuine empathy for founder. You can't come in their way. You can't tell them what to do. When you don't have to worry about money and you get to do what you love, I think it makes for a great life.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the yet another episode of the Living Pod by Saurabh. Today we have a very interesting guest. He's not a founder. He's not a into from a education industry. He's not someone who I know him. I'm meeting him the first time, right? But I've been observing his work for a while. He's been doing great work. He's a podcaster who done VC or early stage VC. So for me, I want to learn, what is working for him as a podcaster. I have an aspiration to launch a fund. I want to learn how he been figuring out his journey to launch a fund. Now he's launching another second fund, right? And he's just 26. Today we have a podcaster whose name is Jivraj Singh Sachar. Did I say it right?
Yes, you did.
Okay, because I was dreading that I will. That's why I have to see the name because, as I mentioned, he's not my friend. I'm meeting for the first time. Heard about him a lot. He's been doing fabulous work with podcasting and, someone who probably, I would love to learn, and while learning, also probably challenge him, probably try to put on the spot, and that's the best part of this episode and this form wherein, it's not panel. It's not scripted, it's real. And let's see how it goes. How are you?
Yeah, I'm very well. Thank you so much for having me, Saurabh.
क्या चल रहा है?
सब सही चल रहा है, काम अच्छा चल रहा है. I have to go for a podcast recording of my own after this. बहुत अच्छे छोले भटूरे खिलाए आपने. So बस सही चल रहा है. बस 2 घंटे जो आना पड़ा नोएडा, उसके अलावा everything was great.
कौन करेगा एयर टैक्सी लॉन्च?
विनोद खोसला फंड करेंगे.
जो
भी करेगा.
I also read that. It was last night only. I was. Did you meet him?
No, I haven't. But I've been emailing him for 2 years. So soon.
So one common connect. I don't know where they work. So Bicky sir.
Yes, I know
So
him.
he sits in the same building.
Oh, really?
India Trade, and he's on my cap table.
Amazing.
Right. So I will try if that pull off. If it pull off for you, probably will pull off for me also.
Yeah.
So there's a vested interest. But tell me your story, na? Unfiltered story which you have not shared, or real story.
Real story. So I'm from Calcutta. So that's a surprise for most people. Because grow up in a very humble background, very supportive parents. I'm the youngest in the family. 4 लोग हैं हम. Mom, dad, an elder sister. And Calcutta background meant conventional thinking थी for the most part of my life. तो school and college में यही पता था कि most people around me were doing CA या family business. Going into college I knew कि ये दोनों चीज़ें नहीं करनी because dad said कि business नहीं join करना. It was very informal. It was not a very formal setup. So पता था business नहीं करना. And my elder sister is a CA. And उनको देख के मैंने ये realize किया था कि CA नहीं करना, क्योंकि in your prime years I don't want to do something जिसमें आपकी risk appetite इधर उधर हो जाती है. So I knew I had to do something by myself. But I didn't know I'll be doing this, to be very honest. And it's been 5-6 years since I graduated college. So जब मैं graduate कर रहा था
college. Graduate itself?
Yes. So I did school and college both in Calcutta, St. Xavier's. College I was graduating COVID के time. और तब मेरे पास I had a campus job. But वो मैंने नहीं लिया and instead मैंने startup करने की कोशिश की. Because I would go to YouTube and any Y Combinator video you take, I would know. Because I was just learning a lot from YC videos, other podcasts. So I tried to build my own company. It was actually in a very similar space.
When was this?
This is 2020. So 2020, the year I spent, February से फिर March में COVID हुआ, and then 6-8 महीने लगा के, but I didn't know how to run a
startup company.
हाँ, मतलब commerce graduate from Calcutta with no business experience does not make for
what
a
was
good.
your dad doing?
माई डैड इज इन बिजनेस ऑफ लॉग्स, जिससे फर्नीचर बनता है, उसकी ट्रेडिंग, कैलकाटा डंपिंग ग्राउंड टिम्बर, हाँ, तो उसकी ट्रेडिंग में वो इन्वॉल्व थे. तो आई वॉज लाइक कि सब कुछ खुद से ही फिगर आउट करना पड़ेगा. कॉलेज हेल्प्ड बिकॉज मॉर्निंग कॉलेज था 6 AM to 10 AM, विच मेंट यू हैड योर, मेरा पूरा दिन मेरे पास था. आई स्टार्टेड मल्टीपल सोसाइटीज ऑन कैंपस.
कॉलेज 6 AM?
हाँ, मॉर्निंग कॉलेज था ये, बहुत जल्दी.
दिस आई हैव नॉट हर्ड.
हाँ, दिस इज प्रॉब्ली द ओनली, मतलब 1-2 और जगह होता है शायद, बट 6 AM कॉलेज एंड अटेंडेंस यू हैव टू हैव लाइक 85-90%, वरना बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती थी. सो दैट वाज गुड एंड बैड.
So we are 4 AM club, right?
करेक्ट,
Not by choice,
by डिफॉल्ट ही हो गया था. हाँ, और उसमें भी पता है हमारे क्लास में 90% लोग ऐसे होते थे जो 10 बजे क्लास खत्म होती थी, 11 बजे CA ट्यूशन के लिए चले जाते थे, बिकॉज दे वर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर CA ऑल थ्रू आउट. बट आई वॉज नॉट डूइंग दैट. तो मेरे पास पूरा दिन होता था. तो इन हाइंडसाइट काश मुझे इंटर्नशिप्स के बारे में पता होता, बिकॉज देन आई वुड हैव डन इंटर्नशिप्स, बट वो नहीं पता था. तो आई वुड engage on campus. So मतलब entrepreneurship club, social entrepreneurship club, started 3-4 societies. तो that was my very first initial stint to entrepreneurship. But फिर startup नहीं चला. The startup was actually in study abroad as a space. I was trying to say कि यार मुझे हार्वर्ड में पढ़ना है, बट हार्वर्ड के स्टूडेंट से कैसे बात करूँ मैं? I have to reach out to them on Gmail or LinkedIn or ask for an introduction. But ये assured नहीं है. But when in a world where Amazon, Uber, Zomato exist, when we can click a button, ask for anything we want, we can't actually reach out to a person, है ना? अगर मुझे आपसे पॉडकास्टिंग सीखना है, या आपसे कंपनी बनाना सीखना है, किसी को जिवराज से सीखना है हाउ टू स्टार्ट अ वेंचर फंड एट एन अर्ली एज, कैसे सीखे? इफ़ आई डोंट रिस्पॉन्ड देन नहीं हो सकता, या मैं सौरभ को नहीं जानता फॉर एन इंट्रोडक्शन, नहीं हो सकता. सो आई वॉज क्रिएटिंग अ मार्केट प्लेस फॉर पीपल and expertise, starting with study abroad as a use case. You want to study at Brown, NYU, Harvard, you reach out to, like, these are 10 people from these universities, reach out to any of them, pay whatever
peer-to-peer group, peer-to-peer networking.
Peer-to-peer networking, mentorship, by paying for whatever you set time.
Right.
So TopMate is a similar company.
TopMate, yeah.
Haan,
there are few more, there are many who try to did. Admit Card is a good friend, right? So they tried with this, but then they pivot a bit. They're still doing it, but I mean, why didn't it work for you?
It didn't work क्योंकि फंडामेंटली जैसे मुझे ना लेट्स से कस्टमर नीड है पॉडकास्ट सीखना, जिवराज से नहीं भी सीखा तो कोई और पॉडकास्टर समझा देगा, या यूट्यूब पे मैं समझ लूँगा. सो द नीड फॉर दैट स्पेसिफिक पर्सन हेल्पिंग आउट इज़ नॉट एज मच एज वी थिंक. ऊबर और जोमेटो में ये होता है कि मतलब किसी को रेस्टोरेंट को कॉल करके समझाओ कि क्या बनाना है, फिर जाके कलेक्ट करने में, वर्सेस जोमेटो पे ऑर्डरिंग, द एक्सपीरियंस इज़ वेरी डिफरेंट. सो एक्सपीरियंस सॉल्व्ड एंड एक्सपीरियंस एग्जिस्टिंग में जो डेल्टा है, आई थिंक कुणाल शाह दिस डेल्टा 4 थ्योरी, वो उसमें है. यहाँ पे डेल्टा 4 नहीं है, विच इज़ वाई दिस डज नॉट वर्क एज वेल. और ऑनेस्टली तब तो फंडिंग नहीं कैसे करनी है पता नहीं था, प्रोडक्ट कैसे बनाना नहीं पता था, लोगों से बात करना आता था. सो आई वाज एबल टू गैदर सप्लाई. लाइक आई स्पोक टू 100 odd people from Stanford, Harvard, Wharton, and I got them to a platform. Right. But that platform was not very well built. So we tried for 8 months. What was the name of that company? Score, SCOAR. That was my first stint. And seniors were running a study abroad agency. कि नॉर्मल जो चोपड़ास करके बहुत बड़ी एजेंसी है कैलकाटा में, उसी का मॉडल रेप्लिकेट कर रहे थे. वो प्रॉफिटेबल होता है तो उनके पास एक्स्ट्रा पैसे थे. दे टोल्ड मी यू फिगर आउट. तो मैंने एक CTO हायर किया, मैं प्रोडक्ट देखता था, हेल्प करता था ऑन व्हाट टू बिल्ड एंड सप्लाई गैदर करता था.
Who you were talking with in Calcutta when you were like?
My seniors from college, they were building the study abroad agency. I told them, gave them this idea. They split the way. So I made all standard founder mistakes, by the way. Didn't know how to raise funds, founders से ठीक से बात नहीं की, पता नहीं था कितने पैसे लगेंगे, अज्यूम कर लिया कि YC हो जाएगा, नहीं सोचा है कि यूज केस कितना डीप है. मार्केट प्लेस बनाना इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी डिफिकल्ट, इज़ वन ऑफ द टफेस्ट बिजनेस मॉडल्स टू क्रैक, राइट? सो आई डिडंट नो एनी ऑफ दिस टेक्निकली, एंड दैट्स व्हाई माई पॉडकास्ट स्टार्टेड देन. मतलब आई थिंक probably like from having a job from campus to starting this company, spending a lot of my money because पैसे तो लगते ही हैं, and then not having anything to show for November 2020 में. I didn't have anything. But that's when I started the podcast. मुझे लगा कि यार मेरे आसपास कोई टेक फाउंडर भी नहीं है, कोई मुझे समझा भी नहीं रहा कि ये गलतियाँ मत करो, और बहुत सारे मेरे जैसे लोग हैं जिनको स्टार्टअप करना है, एंड एटलीस्ट उस टाइम पे तो बहुत ज़्यादा थे कि जिनको करना है बट नॉलेज ही नहीं है. अब चलो there's Shark Tank which has happened, many podcasts like this exist which give people information. But then if you weren't in a Bangalore, Bombay or a Delhi or a Pune, Hyderabad also for that matter, you wouldn't know what to do. तो यही solve करना था. I was like कि ठीक है, अब तो वैसे भी
But
नहीं
then
पता
why
क्या करना है.
podcast? Because 2020 में podcast बहुत जल्दी भी नहीं था,
हाँ.
बहुत लेट भी नहीं था.
मुझे लगा कि मुझे सीखना है, 3 महीने करके देखते हैं, कुछ बुरा तो नहीं हो सकता, एंड देन आई फिगर आउट. ऑनेस्टली द प्लान वाज वेरी सिंपल दैट आई डू इट फॉर अ स्मॉल वाइल, कि मुझे फिगर आउट करना है अगला स्टेप क्या होना चाहिए. आई डेंट रियलाइज इट कुड लीड टू अदर थिंग्स. आई वाज जस्ट लाइक कि सीखना वैसे भी है, एंड इट वाज कोविड राइट. तो मैं सबको वैसे भी लिंक्डइन पे टेक्स्ट कर रहा था, मैं 1-on-1 कॉल्स करने स्टार्ट कर दिया था मैंने, एंड एवरीबडी वाज रिस्पॉन्डिंग एक्चुअली. बट आई एम लाइक यार, दिस इन्फॉर्मेशन इज ओनली कमिंग टू मी. People around me are also asking questions. Start posting about it. I started posting about it. फिर मैंने रियलाइज किया कि people are resonating, कि मतलब उनको भी ये questions हैं. That's when I was like कि ऐसा कुछ होना चाहिए. And then YC has a series called Startup School, 20 episode series at Stanford. This is a 2016 series. I think everybody who wants to start a company ever, उनको वो देखना चाहिए. उसमें people like Sam does I think lecture 3, Brian Chesky does lecture 4 or 5. हर topic को उन्होंने break down किया. Things like what is product market fit, when to launch, how to build like a MVP. सारी चीजें एक एक लेक्चर में broken down है.
And वो भी डिटेल में.
बहुत
You know, like
correct.
you can't get better. In fact, it's free.
Yeah.
You know, otherwise we would have loved to pay thousands of dollars for that.
I would pay anything for it because it's so good. मैंने उसको शायद 3-4 बार पूरा देखा होगा. And मेरे पहले episodes by the way उसी पे बेस्ड थे. मेरे एपिसोड्स का नाम भी वही होता था, where I would take one topic and I would break down like what is culture, what is product market fit, what is raising funding, if I would host a venture capital investor. क्योंकि मुझे यही लगता था कि basic education missing है, क्योंकि तब तक I think people like then I'm talking about a time when अभी चलो 100+ unicorns है right, तब I think 20 थे. 2021 was the best year for Indian startups. Most amount of startup funding, most amount of unicorns, most amount of education. तब तक Zepto didn't exist, Blinkit didn't exist the way it does today, Mamaearth was not a unicorn. So none of this had happened technically. And I would text somebody and people like who would not respond today, right? Like Ashish Mohapatra of Business, Varun Alagh of Mamaearth, they would just respond to me on LinkedIn and give me their numbers.
But कैसे ऐसे क्यों? मतलब देखा जाए तो, and by the way, you know, congratulations and a big compliment for your guest list. So I guess for you, if I might not be wrong, and please correct me, do you think your IP is your guest list?
100%. My IP is quality. Quality in a podcast gets defined by 2-3 things. One is whom you are hosting. 2 is how well you are hosting that conversation. क्योंकि जब आपको and anybody who watches my content, I'm very grateful firstly, क्योंकि 1 घंटा अपने टाइम का देना, अपने दिन का देना, अपने हफ्ते का देना is a huge thing, right? And then when they are seeing you, they are coming for the guest. बट मुझे किसी ने ना 25th एपिसोड में बोला था कि जीवराज, पीपल विल कम टू योर पॉडकास्ट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम फॉर योर गेस्ट, बट दे विल स्टे बैक फॉर यू,
फॉर योर कंटेंट. या
यस. तो तब इनफैक्ट पहले ना मैं फॉर माय फर्स्ट 20 एपिसोड्स इनफैक्ट आई वुड read out of my set question list because I would undervalue myself. I was a 23-year-old talking to people who were beyond my league at that time, and I would think they're doing me a favor, so I would not be elaborate. I'd stick to my questions. It was very like reporter like. But फिर मैंने realize किया कि नहीं, मुझे अपना style figure out करना पड़ेगा, and my style is I'm curious, I'm genuinely trying to understand. क्योंकि मैं ही यूजर था, मतलब I was genuinely asking कि फर्स्ट टाइम फाउंडर को क्या करना चाहिए, जिसके पास नॉलेज बेस नहीं है बट जिसका मन है स्टार्टअप करने का, वो कहाँ से सीखे. That was the very clear problem statement. So I feel that is my IP. Great guest list, great conversations. It's very simple, but I feel so many people don't get it right. People,
they try to pretend.
They try to pretend, they don't genuinely start. I think वो भी longevity then becomes your IP.
Yes.
क्योंकि compounding हो जाती है. क्योंकि अगर आप start करते हो genuine मन से without really thinking कि a lot of people around me at that time just started podcast क्योंकि networking होगी, क्योंकि smart sound करना है, क्योंकि distribution बढ़ेगा. But honestly that does not work. At least in my opinion it does not work.
Totally agree with you.
क्योंकि people look through it. अगर आप किसी से बात कर रहे हो podcast पे because you want to be friends with them, it's not so simple. मतलब ऐसा नहीं होता.
In fact, sorry interrupting.
हाँ जी.
How many of guests you have interviewed? Do you say you are their good friends? Will you treat them as friends?
Not all, but wait, I think in my head, if I'm hosting 10 people, 6, 7 I want to be in touch with. Then out of 6, 7, 2, 3 I will be in very close touch with. और अगर वो funnel भी है तो मेरे लिए ठीक है. और वो भी I don't think of it as first objective. First objective है उनसे सीखना. They should have a great experience. I often say कि my North Star as a host is, am I helping my guest think out loud during the conversation? तो मुझे बहुत ओरिजिनल क्वेश्चंस पूछने, लाइक मुझे बहुत मजा आता है व्हेन आई एम सो वेल रिसर्च दैट आई आस्क ओरिजिनल क्वेश्चंस, बिकॉज़ व्हाट दैट डज इज यू विल रियलाइज एज अ गेस्ट कि
ऊपर से पूछ रहे हैं, मजा नहीं आएगा,
मतलब
यू विल नॉट चैलेंज देम.
एग्जैक्टली, यू विल गेट इम्प्रेस. मतलब जब आपको लगता है ना द अदर पर्सन इज इन्वेस्टेड इन यू आल्सो फील रिस्पांसिबल कि आई हैव टू गिव द पर्सन समथिंग न्यू.
Right.
Because you don't, क्योंकि everybody that we host, right, like you also end up hosting so many famous people and you've been through so many journeys yourself, हम ना story same ही बताते हैं eventually, क्योंकि everybody asks the same questions,
वो by default हो जाता है.
Correct. इसमें किसी की गलती नहीं, but अगर आप कुछ नया पूछो और अगर आप time invest करो in understanding them, they also then feel responsible to tell you something unique. They get impressed. They then tell you original things. एंड इसकी वजह से ही आपका कनेक्शन बनता है. कनेक्शन इज अ बाई प्रोडक्ट ऑफ ग्रेट वर्क. इट्स नॉट द फर्स्ट ऑब्जेक्टिव. अगर वो फर्स्ट ऑब्जेक्टिव होगा तो कभी भी नहीं होगा कंप्लीशन. आई हैव सीन पीपल अराउंड मी डू दैट, नॉट वर्क आउट.
यू सी थ्रू इट.
करेक्ट. तो इट्स नॉट सस्टेनेबल. सो आई थिंक वही तो बैक टू द वही क्लोजर यही था कि 3 महीने के लिए किया, बट 3 महीने में समझ में आने लग गया कि दिस विल बी समथिंग. तो ये करते हैं. एंड मोर देन एनीथिंग आई वाज एंजॉयिंग इट सो मच, बिकॉज व्हेन यू डू अ पॉडकास्ट, आई एम श्योर यू नो दिस, यू लर्न. क्योंकि कुछ क्रिएट करने के लिए खुद से बहुत कंज्यूम करना पड़ता है. तो एंड दिस इज प्री जीपीटी एरा, which meant that I would go through 10-15 hours of content, real absorption, taking notes, then thinking what do I want to ask. So my speed to consume content has grown up. My speed of consumption and then processing. फिर बात करते टाइम you have to listen, you have to process, you have to then ask. So that improves overall conversational skills as well. My mind and knowledge base grew up so much. मतलब I'll go to an IIT और लोगों को ऑफ बिजनेस के बारे में नहीं पता होगा, Zetwork के बारे में नहीं पता होगा. I actually did this poll. लोगों को नहीं पता था, but I was hosting these people in 22-23. So I'm like, ये सारी चीज़ें होती ही नहीं उसके बिना. And then you get to meet people who then I get to learn from beyond the podcast as well. तो वो एक बहुत add on हो जाता है. तो I would do it for just reasons that, मतलब जो personal थे मेरे लिए, but of course people were loving it. Like everybody who would come across the podcast would tell me कि यार you are genuine, you are asking great questions और हम सीख रहे हैं. And that is a huge compliment. I really think कि there is no bigger service than teaching somebody something.
Get the information.
Right? Correct.
And that too information which is not available already.
Correct.
New content.
उससे बड़ी चीज़ तो कुछ भी नहीं हो सकती. So that's how it happened. And then Angelist में मेरी जॉब लग गई. And that was a life changing moment as well, क्योंकि I went from young boy from Calcutta doing a podcast to, okay, no, he knows his stuff, right? Technically strong also, because Angelist gave me credibility. वो नहीं थी उसके पहले. उसके पहले it was कि हाँ पैशन है, फॉलो अप करता है. मैं कॉल कर देता था डायरेक्टली किसी को.
तो ये लोग आंसर करते हैं.
हाँ, अच्छे लोग, उनको भी किसी ना किसी ने सपोर्ट किया होगा, तो वो भी देखते हैं कि हाँ जेन्युइन है. तो आई थिंक दैट वर्कड आउट वेल, एंड दैट्स सिंस देन आई एम नॉट स्टॉप्ड.
Are you a Gen Z?
I 98, yes.
Gen Z हुए. Why इतना क्यों इतना Gen Z के अगेंस्ट या प्रो क्यों है? Why Gen Z become a noun itself.
हाँ.
Millennial लेवल में नहीं था.
Correct.
ऐसा क्या चेंज हुआ है? Want to hear from you.
Awareness तो I think just people need a topic to like discuss. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. I think this is very overrated. I think every generation में कुछ ना कुछ change होता है. Gen Z is the only, I think everybody in my generation has grown up with a phone, access to information, awareness high है. तो generally हमारा culture ही है to question everything, to understand everything. And I think हमारे बाद Gen Alpha will be even more, मतलब
curious.
A generation that grows up on GPT will be even more curious, deep,
or it might
better.
be different because when you within a click you know the answer. होता ना, आंसर तो आ ही जाएगा, तो complacency नहीं आ जाती. आ जाएगी.
आई एम थोड़ा ग्लास हाफ फुल काइंड ऑफ पर्सन, तो मैं तो पॉजिटिव ही बोलूँगा. आई थिंक नेगेटिव होगा, आई एम श्योर हर जनरेशन में होता है, बट आई स्टिल फील वो नेगेटिव नैरेटिव हमेशा ज़्यादा ओवर वैल्यू करते हैं हम, बिकॉज इट जस्ट बिकम्स more of a talking point, right? But I think more information has always been good for the world. I think it has been shown across decades कि जब इंडस्ट्रियल एरा भी था, जब इंफॉर्मेशन ट्रांसफ़र हो रही थी थ्रू न्यूज़पेपर्स एज वेल, जिसके पास न्यूज़पेपर्स थे उनके पास एडवांटेज था, जिसके पास लैपटॉप्स थे, कंप्यूटर्स थे, उनके पास एडवांटेज था. अब जीपीटी सबके पास है, और जो उसको अच्छे से यूज़ करेगा उसके पास बहुत एडवांटेज है. तो वो नैरेटिव हमेशा ही ड्राइव होगा. बट आई थिंक जेनजीज इज़ लाइक जस्ट स्ट्रक्चरल एडवांटेज है, क्योंकि टाइम चेंज हुआ है. उस एडवांटेज का कुछ लोग सही फ़ायदा उठाते हैं, कुछ लोग गलत फ़ायदा उठाते हैं. वो गलत वाले ज़्यादा शोकेस भी करते हैं क्योंकि हम सोशल भी बहुत हैं, सो एवरीथिंग गेट्स हाईलाइटेड मोर, एंड आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाई
Yellow journalism sells.
दैट्स द सैड पार्ट. व्हाट्स वर्कड इन योर पॉडकास्ट? व्हाई डिड यू स्टार्ट?
Okay, why did I start? First of all, I'm still figuring out whether it's working. You know, yes, when I get some good guests, I'm like, okay, something is good. You know, again for me, it's curiosity. You know, so I'm a late boomer. You know, so I wasn't like very smart when I was 20, or probably come from a normal middle class family. You know, but same thought that yeah, सीखना है. You know, and how I can learn from from people who are ahead of the journey. You know, so one theme is now I've created that everyone who have IPO'd, I want to connect with them. I want to learn from their journey, and everyone's journey is so different. Yet there are so many same patterns. So that was one. Then it started with in my industry, or I would say in my ecosystem about higher education or global mobility, right? So I realized that everyone have information, but they are keeping it to their chest, and then people are like, we know it. And we can only, either we'll charge for it or there's a vested interest. And you have gone through this industry, right? I'm like, why there's a vested interest? And why there's the information which is not traveling, it should be, right? And so same that I thought probably this is a great way to connect. This is a great way to learn. I mean, very humble to get guests, even from the industry. Because the industry is very layered. I guess you have spent some time. It's so layered. It's been 15 years. I'm part of this industry. And very, very grateful and very happy. Because like when you get to know, अच्छा agency का ये network है या ये model है. And there's a company called Kaplan. Or there's a company called Nevitas. उनका इतने layered है. They have their own campuses. They have education recruitment also. Then they have marketplace. So it's so layered. So that was my first reason. Let me learn from the people who are ahead of the journey. I've spent 15 years. There are people who have spent 30 years, 40 years. Why I need to wait for another 30 years to learn? Right? So that's how it started. And to be honest, I started enjoying it. Same, I guess, I don't know about you, but when I'm doing a conversation, I get in the zone and I feel good about it. यार कुछ नया सीख रहे हैं.
Yeah.
क्योंकि सेम नेटवर्क से, सेम कंपनी से अपने ऑफिस में आप हमेशा क्रिप कर रहे होते हो या टारगेट चेस कर रहे होते हो या फिर ज्ञान दे रहे होते हो. व्हेन यू आर अ फाउंडर, अब ज्ञान ज़्यादा बांटते हो, राइट? बट वो ज्ञान आने में तो चाहिए ना, कैसे रेलिवेंट आना चाहिए, राइट? सो दैट वाज वन ऑफ द रीजन. एंड देन अगेन like Mr. Kala agreed, Sanjeev sir agreed, Pramod sir agreed, and then I guess probably one thing lead to another. I'm like, okay, let me go after at least this IPO thing. Let me go after all the information available in this ecosystem, right from aspiration to employability, which is a part of global mobility. That's how I started. And now I'm loving it. And now my team is after, like, भाई काम भी कर ले. तू ये 300 लोग की कंपनी चला रहा है, वो अच्छे से कर ले. Then my investor asked me कि इससे क्या फ़ायदा हो रहा है. And I believe awareness, because another reason was for us, student accommodation, generally for the longest time been ignored. Even in spite of this is second largest spend item of a student when they go abroad. So I was like, this is a great way. If I go to a school, if I go to anywhere, if I only talk about student accommodation, like issue नहीं है. And I always say it's like a cancer. जब तक नहीं हुआ तो नहीं हुआ, और जब हो गया तो लेट हो गया. Right? So these are few reasons for me to start this journey.
Nice.
Why people need to start podcast? If yes, why and how?
नहीं, I think that's the most important question वैसे. डिपेंड्स टू, एक तो दो पर्सोना होते हैं. वन वेर यू आर अ कंटेंट क्रिएटर बाय प्रोफेशन. अगर आप कंटेंट क्रिएटर बाय प्रोफेशन है देन तो यू शुड ऑप्टिमाइज फॉर व्यूज. यू शुड रियली बी brainstorming on what format works well. So one of my friends, she's actually a creator by profession. She has 500k plus sort of followers, and now she started a new IP, and that is a 30-minute music IP, right? She will host musicians on it. Nice. So now that is a fun format. She's invested in the production, and उसको optimize करना है views के लिए. तो अगर आप पॉडकास्ट स्टार्ट कर रहे हो तो यू नो टू रिलाई अपॉन फ्रॉम अ लिविंग, देन यू शुड डेफिनेटली ऑप्टिमाइज फॉर व्यूज बिकॉज दैट ट्रांसलेट्स टू मनी.
Right.
Now in our case it's different. Now if you're starting a podcast sort of passion, जहाँ आपका it's not dependent, your life does not depend
Right.
on it. I often
Right.
say, right, this is a hobby for me, right? So I can do what I really want to, and that's when I will be most successful. So ek to your reasoning has to be very clear. It can't be outward driven. It can't be fame. It can't be network. It can't be reputation. It needs to be genuine curiosity. मुझे लगता है उसका कोई substitute नहीं है. और फिर उसे भी match करना होगा with what somewhat you are credible at, right? अगर आप मतलब I can say I'm very curious about cricket. Now I can start hosting cricketers. But will that add to my life? Will I continue it for a while? Maybe I do it for 10-15 episodes, maybe 50 episodes. But now I've done 250 episodes. I'm genuinely curious and it adds back to what I do. But now people fall short, right? So you need to know your curiosity. You need to then have a tying back mechanism. I think those are the two reasons to start, and then you need to answer the question कि आप uniquely क्या solve कर रहे हो. तो अगर मैं आज start करता तो मैं यही पूछता कि what do I uniquely solve, and in that I would figure out these niches, right? I think then you have to answer what are you optimizing for, right? So in my case I was optimizing for learning के बाद I was optimizing for genuine credibility. कि I will be credible if I learn something really well. And then the byproduct becomes trust that gets formed with future founders, right? When a founder has seen my podcast, वो मुझे 20 क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है, मैं 20 क्वेश्चन सुनते हुए देख रहा है, that builds implicit trust because I can't like fake, nobody can fake a conversation for 1.5 hours.
It's on camera.
हाँ,
Camera see through you.
आधे घंटे कर सकते हो आप, but like 1.5-2 घंटे हम नहीं कर सकते. That's why I also love long form, by the way.
Likewise.
क्योंकि उसमें नहीं like you
आप fake नहीं कर सकते.
करेक्ट 15-20 मिनट तो वैसे भी वार्म अप करने में लग जाते हैं. तो 1.5 hours you can't fake, right? So that is the most trust building in a world where social currency is everything, right? Like you walk into a room and you have to introduce yourself. It is such a privilege when somebody already knows your name or has heard of it or has seen you and really admires you. That's the other thing that you have to optimize for. Sirf dekhna is not important, right?
They
Like,
will respect you.
correct. They need to respect you. They need to understand what you bring to the table. And when they've seen you through and through do repetitive work, I think then that's when they appreciate you. क्योंकि बहुत लोग हैं, मुझे सिर्फ व्यूज़ ना वैनिटी होते हैं अगर वो क्वालिटी व्यूज़ ना हो. दैट वाज द लर्निंग इन माय केस. मतलब इनफैक्ट फर्स्ट 30 एपिसोड्स तो मैंने ऑडियो पे किए थे, फिर मैं सिर्फ जूम पे करता था. तब भी जो देखता था उसे वो अप्रिशिएट करता था. एंड आई फील इट्स अ पॉइंट ऑफ प्रिविलेज. ऐसे सब नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि अगर आप सिर्फ पॉडकास्ट कर रहे हो और आपको उससे पैसे कमाने हैं तो आपको व्यूज ऑप्टिमाइज करना पड़ेगा.
Yeah, and podcast, I don't think podcasts are making money out of views or unless until you are like the early ones, you know,
Correct,
like
correct.
Raj and
बहुत
me,
डिफिकल्ट
you know?
है. बट यू कुड ऑल्सो से कि चलो तब आपको व्यूज के लिए ऑप्टिमाइज करना है, तब आप 10 मिनट का पॉडकास्ट करो, 15 मिनट का पॉडकास्ट करो, चेंज करो, यू एक्सपेरिमेंट, यू इन्वेस्ट अ लॉट. आई डिडंट डू एनी ऑफ दैट, बट आई गॉट लकी टू से कि मेरा आई थिंक इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ टाइमिंग अच्छा था. When timing is very necessary. Like right now, an AI podcast would make sense because timing is important. A deep tech podcast, somebody is just talking to defense, somebody is just talking to people from the government, right? कि policy में क्या हो रहा है, क्योंकि ये सारी चीज़ें कोई नहीं बात कर रहा. You have to talk about things people think about but don't talk about, right? People were thinking about entrepreneurship but not talking about it as much because there was nobody to actually propagate it.
Right.
A lot of people are not talking about like policy, defense, AI, but again people are talking about it as well, but कोई credible source से नहीं बात कर रहा. So that's where I would then optimize for quality content. And if you do quality, you maintain consistency, I think then you will be able to win also. So I think that is where I would focus. And I mean, in your case also, if you just do, let's say, I don't know, education entrepreneurs, right? I mean, India में school owners are plenty.
Yeah.
Schools are some of the biggest exits.
Right.
Some of the wealthiest people in the country run schools. maybe who's hosting them, right? Like abhi I was like figuring out an investment in a school, which is when I realized that like this is a huge space, and I have not heard from a single school owner technically. मतलब मैंने तो नहीं देखा, but बहुत सारे हैं जो
What did you
exit
find? Because I was reading and I read and I came across few things wherein there's lots of gray area
हाँ.
into school investment.
करेक्ट, रेगुलेशन है काफ़ी, हाउ डू यू टेक आउट मनी, ट्रस्ट होते हैं, बट आई थिंक मोर रेगुलेशंस आर कमिंग. बट भाई इवन इफ यू लाइक फ्रॉम अ पॉडकास्ट लेंस एटलीस्ट, लाइक इफ आई स्पोक टू पीपल हु स्टार्टेड लाइक Heritage International, that was like an exit to BlackRock, I think. People made a lot of money.
Right.
How did you start? What is a center like? School starter में लगता क्या है? आसपास दिखते हैं. So I think some of that is possible, right? Like I mean, if you start niche, then you expand. You could do really well and optimize for the right quality. That is how I would look at it. कुछ भी करो, I think in anything you do, even in a job, even in short form content, even in podcast, if you do one thing really well, which in my case has been quality of conversation, I think you can percolate to other things. उसके बाद you optimize अपने हिसाब से. I think there are better people who can talk about how to optimize for views. वो मुझे नहीं आता, but quality मुझे आती है.
Good. You talked about quality, right? But that's very subjective, right? And I really appreciate and love that not going after views. But do you think there's also that chicken and egg? The more views you get, the better guests you get.
100%.
The more better guests you get, the better content you get.
Yeah.
How did you figure that out?
I think I still have more to figure out, but I'll tell you, one person who figured this out really well is Ganesh, who runs Think School.
Think School.
Right?
Brilliant guy.
And that he solved the chicken and egg problem as well. He realized कि short form content बहुत अच्छा करेंगे, short form content को बहुत बड़ा कर लेके गया. Then he had really large scale distribution. Because there was large scale distribution, got really good guests, most unique ones in the country. And when you host them, उसके पे बहुत सारे अच्छे views आएंगे क्योंकि उसके पास already existing distribution है. So I do think, इसलिए that's what I'm saying. Like, and by the way, he does this full time. So he knows the science behind what it means to get views, and he's cracked that well. He optimizes for it. And that's why views are very important. And in his case, very मतलब सबसे ज़्यादा important. And he's made money, recognition, trust, credibility, education, everything.
Right.
Like all facets he's completed. If I knew, I would have also started short form. That's why I was in fact telling you also before, right? I do think short form, having existing distribution really helps. But वही है कि thankfully, like अगर if I was a full-time podcaster, I would also figure that out. And maybe I should. I don't know, right? Like I have chosen currently to not be that. And I feel because I love what I do on the investing side as well. And that's why I continue to do both. But अगर आप एक चीज़ के लिए solve कर रहे हो तो I do think कि पहले distribution बनाओ, distribution बनाने के बाद podcast start करो क्योंकि long form conversion difficult ही होती है.
Agree.
That is the truth. तो
Tell me what about Indian Silicon Valley fund?
So the
why did where did name came in, and why did you start? Especially what you are early 30s?
I'm 26.
26. 26 साल में VC सुनने में तो अच्छा लगता है और alpha ego massage और अच्छा लगता होगा. Right? And do you think also because of that lots of people take you seriously?
100%. I think बहुत अच्छी loop है. तो मेरे केस में my loop that works well is एंजलिस्ट हैपेंड. एंजलिस्ट की वजह से सब्जेक्ट मैटर एक्सपर्टीज बनी.
कितने साल काम किया वहाँ?
3 साल.
3 years.
हाँ, तो एंजलिस्ट में काम किया, वहाँ से नॉलेज बढ़ी. उस क्रेडिबिलिटी की वजह से गेस्ट अच्छे आते थे. गेस्ट से मैं अच्छी बात कर पाता था क्योंकि एंजलिस्ट में था. वहाँ पे अच्छे गेस्ट थे, उसकी वजह से काम भी अच्छा मिलता था. कंपनी में भी रिस्पेक्ट थी बिकॉज आई वाज डूइंग समथिंग मोर. इन अ वर्ल्ड वेयर पीपल टॉक अबाउट पैशन प्रोजेक्ट्स, व्हेन यू हैव अ podcast to show for where you hosted some of the best people in the country, it makes sense, right? So people respect you more. So I think it becomes a loop.
And you were in Bangalore?
It was a remote job, but I used to do it from Bangalore.
So you used to go to wherever the guests are?
नहीं, that was Zoom. I started, हाँ, फिर मैं 2 साल से मैं कर रहा हूँ in person podcast. So there I would just fly in, yes.
So which one you enjoy more? People come in your studio or you travel?
I actually love going to people's houses and recording because it's more intimate. हाँ, people really like मतलब open up, उनका घर की environment है, they are more familiar.
right.
अगर आप किसी ऑफिस जाओ in the middle of the day तो मतलब उसकी भी मीटिंग है बाद में, उनको भी मतलब
There was that hurriness in
correct.
the mind.
Mind has something else working for them. And in a conversation, one of the most important things is just being present. Just being blank to everything else and genuinely listening,
Yes.
paying attention. So I love going to people's spaces, but वही है कि मतलब setup, figure out करना, ये सारी चीज़ें problem होती है, so it's helpful to call, but I that's why I try to record weekends only. क्यों या beyond working hours. क्योंकि you want complete attention.
Calm,
एक बार
yeah,
करना है मुझे
yeah,
ये, मतलब 1-2 साल में एक बार करना है किसी के साथ. You do it with length. मैं तो लोगों को बोल भी देता हूँ कि ऐसे मंडे 12 बजे रिकॉर्ड करके कोई फायदा ही नहीं है. Because it won't like click. So that's very important. And then ये loop मेरे लिए चलना start हो गया था. Why VC? Honestly, AngelList नहीं होता तो I wouldn't have done VC. I would have started a company. मेरा हमेशा से मन, अभी भी मन तो यही है लाइफ में कि एक बार तो कंपनी स्टार्ट करनी है.
मतलब बिल्डर कीड़ा है.
हाँ, मतलब कुछ तो करना है और मतलब वो रिग्रेट वाला फ्रेमवर्क क्लियर है ना, ये 80 साल में ये नहीं सोचना कि ट्राई नहीं किया. तो दैट वाज
So
क्लियर.
you want to be an investor and then probably become a builder. Probably
वो पाथवे आई थिंक लाइफ बताएगी. जैसे मैंने पहले स्टार्ट की कंपनी, वो नहीं पता था कहाँ जाएगी, नहीं चली. दैट्स हाउ द पॉडकास्ट हैपेंड. पॉडकास्ट की वजह से जॉब हुई, जॉब की वजह से वीसी हुआ. अगर एंजलिस्ट भी नहीं होता, सिर्फ पॉडकास्ट वुडंट हैव बीन इनफ फॉर द फंड. एंजलिस्ट हैपेंड. That made me interested in talking to founders, and I love helping founders. I think VC is it's one of the best jobs there is, right? You get to talk to founders who are building great companies. You get to support them. You get to see them from 0 to 1. It is a point of huge privilege. I have now invested in 38 companies. All of them do something different. There are 72 founders between the 38 companies that I've invested in. It is insane. Matlab, I can't imagine a better job. So I got really lucky. Knowing that you love something, but then you also have something unique to offer. वो भी important होता है, right? Like ऐसे ही नहीं कर सकते आप कुछ. तो मेरे लिए वो यूनिक ऑफरिंग मेरा पॉडकास्ट बन गई थी. अब मैंने 200 लोगों को होस्ट किया है. दैट नेटवर्क. VC is a very human thing.
right.
Connections matter a lot. It's the most human job possible. So I was like,
Yet.
अच्छा, now I have a
Yet.
हाँ, I think
Yet.
there are more human intensive jobs,
Right.
but relationship driven, I think VC है. So, which is also good, by the way. I think Mark Andreessen mentioned कि VC will be the last job to get replaced by AI, क्योंकि human element इसमें बहुत है. But because of the podcast, I realized that I could be a better investor. तो जब मेरे लिए compounding work करना start करी गई, life में clear है. You either do things where you stick around for 10-12 साल, 10-15 साल and you know चल जाएगा. So compounding is a very important principle. So I'm like, podcast is compounding, relationships are compounding, knowledge is compounding. VC will work out well. That's how I got started early, and that's how I'm now an investor, and I love it. I mean,
Tell me more about your VC journey. And you mentioned about Angel. I mean, this is for okay. You know, we didn't introduce. I didn't tell you the audience. So my audience is right from someone who's at 14, you know, figuring it out in their 8-9 standard.
Sure.
You know, and then as probably you know, that was as someone at 60s or 70s who probably done and dusted with, and now they have enough time, you know, or they want to figure out their case journey.
Sure.
You know, so this is the audience, right from students to parents to most of my people are from my same higher education industry, university reps, universities, stakeholders.
Sure.
You know, then few founders, co-founders. You know, off lately I started covering of investors. You know, because again same curiosity that एक ही life है, सब कुछ करना है. And then organically figure out हो रहा है, you know, that okay, now been in the industry for 15 years, you know, started few, invested few, you know, raised few funds. So lots of early age founders are reaching out, you know, for mentorship and all that. And this is exactly was my story. You know, I got lucky to get Ishan, Sachin, you know, Biki sir, you know, and that's how I raised my funds. And they were mostly good experiences, but they were also not that great experiences, which I thought that probably we can share out.
Sure.
Right. So tell me about your journey about कैसे अगर किसी को podcast करना कैसे करना है, no, probably we have figured out कि these are the your reasons should be right.
Correct.
And how figure out हो जाएगा. Right. Similarly अगर किसी को VC fund launch करना है, AngelList में एक job करनी है, और उसके बाद उसे investor बनना है, either syndicate start करना है या फिर platform start करना है या फिर you know एक fund raise करना है. So how does that happen?
सो आई थिंक 2-3 पाथवे होते हैं, या तो मतलब एक तो आई थिंक वीसी बाद में करना चाहिए लाइफ में जब आपके पास थोड़ा एक्सपीरियंस हो बिल्ड करने का, या आपको उसमें भी लाइक पॉडकास्ट में आपको ये क्वेश्चन आंसर करना है कि कोई आपका पॉडकास्ट क्यों सुने, आपको वीसी में आंसर करना है कि वाई शुड अ फाउंडर टेक मनी फ्रॉम यू। हर इन्वेस्टर की एक यूनिक वैल्यू ऐड होती है क्योंकि पैसे सब देते हैं, राइट? सो अज्यूमिंग आई कैन गिव यू मनी, वाई शुड अ फाउंडर टेक मनी फ्रॉम मी? दैट इज़ द क्वेश्चन दैट आई वांट टू आंसर, एंड माय आंसर टू दैट इज़ कि मेरे पास एक ऐसा नेटवर्क है जो बहुत कम लोग इस कंट्री में एज अ वीसी मैच कर सकते हैं, एंड दैट्स वाई देयर इज़ वैल्यू टू हैविंग मी ऑन द कैप टेबल. So that you have to answer. So if you are young, if you are starting up in VC, you have to answer this. So कुछ लोगों के लिए होता है कि मैंने कंपनी बनाई है पहले, एक्स फाउंडर्स गुड VCs. कुछ लोगों का होता है कि यंग एनालिस्ट, एसोसिएट, VP एट अ फंड, नाउ आई वांट टू स्टार्ट माय ओन शॉप. गुड रीजन, यू हैव नाउ डन योर ओन. You were in private equity before, you were in banking before, now you want to start a VC, that's fine, right? So ये सारे personas ही होते हैं क्योंकि आपको कुछ justify करना होता है. Now इसमें skill क्या required होता है? I think skill broadly simple ही है, but you need to have a genuine, I think मेरे लिए hash one skill is genuine empathy for founders. Like आपको founders के साथ day in day out work करना है, right? आपका काम है कि उन्हें पैसे देना है, उनको empower करना है. आप नहीं कर रहे execute, you can't come in their way. You shouldn't also, you can't tell them what to do. Those are the bad things to avoid. What you need to do is work, you be available to them when they want it, right? So आपके पास empathy होनी चाहिए क्योंकि आप अगर नहीं समझ सकते कि founders going through a tough time, founders going through इतना upheaval होता है, मतलब सेम दिन जिस दिन बहुत अच्छी न्यूज़ होती है उस दिन 10 चीज़ें फट रही होती हैं, तो it's not like you can
stream high, stream low.
Yes, so it's very dynamic. You have to always help, you have to like feel it like your own, but also know that you are not driving anything. And I think all of that is very necessary. बाकी चीज़ें सिंपल होती हैं in my opinion, बहुत लर्नेबल होती हैं कि मतलब इंटेलेक्चुअल क्यूरियोसिटी होनी चाहिए, बिजनेस मॉडल समझ में आने चाहिए, डेप्थ होनी चाहिए. आई थिंक VC थोड़ा अनसेड भी, मतलब चेकलिस्ट ज़्यादा नहीं होती, राइट? मतलब आज मेरा जैसे 9:30 बजे एक फाउंडर के साथ डिनर है, nobody can ask me to do this, right? और in a normal job अगर आप हो और आपको 9:30 बजे मीटिंग बोलेंगे तो usually people will get upset, right? But you can't do that because we founders are available. मतलब I was working Sunday also, and that I choose to because क्योंकि checklist नहीं है, क्योंकि अब मतलब डील हो रही है, संडे उसको अब चेस करना है आपको, क्योंकि आपको इंश्योर करना है कि उसे दिखे कि आप क्या वैल्यू ऐड कर रहे हो. You have to do it. So I think you have to answer crucial questions, which is what is the unique value you are adding? Are you good at the job? Which is usually also time ही लगता है इसमें, तो we now have 2 exits. So for me that was a signal कि 2.5
When
years.
When did you launch your first fund?
2.5
Only one fund?
years, हाँ जी.
This is your first fund?
Correct. First fund we've done, उसमें हमने 50 crore deploy किए हैं across 37 companies.
And how did you raise that funds?
All personal network only through the
Family
podcast.
office?
No, mostly
investors,
HNIs.
HNIs.
हाँ, new money HNIs I call it.
Founders
Startup
who got
founders.
exits.
Correct. Unicorn founders or people with exits or CXOs with exits are मतलब
high income professional.
Correct.
You know, whether they have the founders or CXO.
Yes.
And they want to probably invest their first or second
Correct.
LPs in those funds.
They are the primary target for me because they also understand the asset class. मतलब if you are a unicorn founder, you know you have built your wealth because of building a tech company. So their faith in also backing tech companies or backing startups is very high, right? So that works out well. I also want to take money from people who understand the risk. क्योंकि अगर आपको रिस्क नहीं पता, then you will always like when it goes down, which it will.
Relationship goes down.
You will not understand क्यों गया, right? Your expectation of the asset class is different. तो अगर आप बहुत traditional हो, then I refrain from taking money. Now we're doing a second fund that's 200 crores. I've not closed it yet. I'm in the process.
You are
of
AIF.
Yes, Cat 2.
Category 2.
So that's happening. Now we're talking to institutional investors, trying to understand what they feel about the asset class.
But do people take seriously you because of your age?
हाँ, I think that's the best part about the startup ecosystem. क्योंकि उन्होंने founders देखे हैं जो 22-23 साल में बड़ी companies बना लेते हैं, तो I think nobody questions it. That's why I feel the startup ecosystem is very meritocratic. मतलब as a podcaster also, why will people take me seriously technically? I don't come from the industry. I've not built a company. I don't have anything to show for. But people were like, नहीं passion है, अच्छा काम कर रहा है, reward करेंगे, right? अच्छा time देंगे, उसके बाद उसके ऊपर. हाँ. I think that works out the same in VC as well, because you get the first chance on passion, you get the second chance on output, and my second fund is having is being raised on output only, which is that first fund passion पे था.
So how do your first fund pan out?
We've delivered like 2 exits. One was a 12x exit, one was a 5x exit out of
And this
38
is,
companies.
I guess,
37
the
companies.
first, second, third, 3,
हाँ,
4 years.
Third year में
Third
ही.
year, yeah.
So it's very good timeline में. Overall also we are on a 3-4x MOIC, which is a 3.2x to be precise. So it's delivered good result, and now we're saying कि हमें institutionalize करना. अभी तक मैं अकेले कर रहा था, तो अब टीम बना रहे हैं, बड़े LPs
You
ला
got the
रहे हैं.
license and all.
We just filed for
अभी
license.
SEBI
हाँ जी.
तो first वाला तो syndicate हुआ ना फिर?
हाँ, syndicate था. Correct.
Right, because
So as
now
a
you're taking
syndicate ही run
license
किया था.
and
हाँ
all.
जी, हाँ जी.
Right.
So that worked out well, and उसमें अच्छे results हैं. So I think people also have our support, and we are very grateful. I think VC is great. अभी Indian tech companies का ही time है. Any GDP addition that we do जो rapid होगा, सब बोल रहे हैं कि हम 5 trillion होंगे, 10 trillion होंगे. वो मतलब
Tailwinds are with us.
हाँ, $1 trillion of market cap अगर add होगा, that's massive. And if startups will do even 10% of it, which is 100 billion, so much is up for grabs. And AI के साथ, I think the world is fundamentally changing. I think investing in startups is one of the best things that can possibly be done.
How are you learning? Apart from podcasting? How do you prepare? How do you learn? Or what is your modus operandi as an individual?
Yeah, I have a very clear, I think, system for this. Most people learn in 3 ways. One is by doing, the second is by resources, and the third is by people, other people, right? And I optimize for all 3. Experiences are because I'm building things by myself, be it the podcast or the fund. I learn by trial, error, doing. Learning from resources, I think I am a huge fan. I think BC mein, in fact, the role of like AI is extremely large, right? Like you can get, like if I had to diligence an aerospace company before, I would have to set up 5 calls with people in the industry, but I don't have to do any of that, at least for basic research.
Right.
To go deeper,
To
I have
build up,
to.
yeah.
Correct. But like for basic research around defense, aerospace, alternative materials, precision engineering, biosciences, I can just like, I'm always reading about these subjects, because in VC, one of the most dynamic things is you get exposed to so many different subjects, right? Like, matlab, over the last week, I might have spoken to consumer companies, fintech companies, deep tech companies. So that learning curve is very high. So I'm always on like some resource or the other I'm reading through. And this is mostly now GPT. Earlier, it would be books, articles, blogs, podcasts.
Are you a avid reader?
Very. I think more short form than long form.
Currently or like it's been
No, I think one of the
off lately?
last 4-5 years. I think talking to people just makes you realize what are other things that are important in life, which is like lifelong learning. I think that is the one common denominator across people is they are always learning. Successful people are always learning. They're always introspecting. They're focusing a lot on like things that matter, that help them be productive, which is like health, which is like mental, like the mental peace and like satisfaction.
Right.
So meditation is a big theme. So I pick up some of this, and then that the third lever is learning from people. I think that's the other advantage. I think most people in jobs end up learning from only their
There's
immediate circle. और वो भी ना ऑब्जेक्टिव ओरिएंटेड होता है कि प्रोजेक्ट डिलीवर करना है 2 हफ्ते में, उसके लिए सीख लेते हैं.
स्कूलिंग में होता था कि पेपर देना है, मार्क्स लाने हैं,
और फिर आप वीकेंड स्पेंड कर देते हो कंफर्ट में, ठीक है, उसमें आप नहीं लर्न कर पाते. बट आई थिंक बिकॉज ऑफ द पॉडकास्ट मेरा पूरा काम ही बहुत ह्यूमन ओरिएंटेड है. इन्वेस्टर मेरा इंसान है, वेरी वेरी हाई क्वालिटी LPs, राइट? देन फाउंडर्स, एक्सट्रीमली हाई क्वालिटी पीपल. Podcast guests, all high quality people. So all of these then become a point of resource for me. Wherever I want to learn, I can hit somebody up. I have deep relationships with a lot of people who are doing really good things, and I can talk to them. So I think that's the way to learn. So there's a blog I'd written also that these are 3 ways in which people learn: by doing, by reading, and by other people. And if you can optimize for all 3, आई थिंक हमारा रिसोर्स वाला फॉर्मल लर्निंग बहुत होता है लाइफ में. पीपल वाला यूजुअली कोइंसिडेंटल होता है, लोग इंटेंशनल नहीं कर पाते, बहुत कम होता है. इट्स डिफिकल्ट, राइट, टू फाइंड पीपल हु विल मेक यू लर्न. बट देन आई गॉट इन अ पोजिशन इन लाइफ वेयर आई कुड, एंड देन खुद से सब सीखते हैं. बट दैट्स द मोस्ट कॉस्टली एंड टाइम सीकिंग फॉर्म ऑफ लर्निंग,
एंड आल्सो वेरी लिमिटेड.
हाँ, मतलब यू कांट कंट्रोल मच इन दैट. वो हो गए, मतलब उसमें आप कर, यू कैन बी इंटेंशनल इन इंट्रोस्पेक्टिंग, Like if you don't introspect, even though you've gone through experiences, you will not learn. You'll end up repeating mistakes. So I think I try to reflect, introspect as much as possible.
So, what next?
What next? I think just I have to figure out taking the podcast to an even bigger level. I do think
How was your
there is
experience, SFO?
very good. I think there is lot happening. I think in a really good way. I do think हमें अब जैसे like ChatGPT is a part of our lives, right? Like most people
Yeah,
now.
yeah.
But I think when humanoids happen with like AI, then we'll see more AI around us, and they are already living it in many ways where they can see कि मतलब their imagination of what AI can do and is possible is like way bigger than, in my opinion, what we see around us in India. So I think that is a big thing.
Go deeper. And when you say humanoids, tell me more.
Just like robots, like abhi hum like, because we are using it on a phone or a laptop or on a screen, we don't see the power of AI, right? Like having a more intelligent human
Super
available
agents-
to us.
Super agent around
हाँ.
us.
नहीं, available to us on our phone is a big thing, but it's not real. But like when there will be no people, but like, you know, like people managing this cameras in this room, if they'll be robots instead, right? Like they'll be smart and they'll be able to pause when needed and like restart when needed and edit it with the click of a button, right? In 5 years, that will be possible in all most likelihood.
Yeah.
And that is when I think it'll become more
But what
real.
will happen to people then?
I don't know if I know that, honestly. Like
But
I
what
think
your guess? 8 billion real people.
something will get figured. I think like when productivity will take a, like there'll be newer things to do, value of money will get distributed better because somebody else is doing the job in a hopefully cheaper manner and not in a costlier manner, there'll be money available for other endeavors. तो money रहेगा, productivity high हो जाएगी, which means output per person low may be higher output of money रहेगा, right? Like technically we're saying that there will be like workforce will necessarily double without humans being there. Machines will exist, right?
Abundance हो जाएगा.
बहुत abundance हो जाएगा. तो output तो ज़्यादा ही होगा.
और abundance होगा तो
हम नहीं deliver करेंगे
income disparity नहीं होगी. Huge income disparity.
नहीं,
We already are privileged one, right?
हाँ.
Anyone sitting on in the office in this room,
correct,
or anyone who's watching it, we are privileged.
Yeah,
right?
100%.
But then because of that we have more time, we have abundance, but then there will be income disparity like anything.
नहीं, but infrastructure sort out हो जाएगा. Like क्या होता है, I think people will have access to the same things that everybody else does. क्योंकि अभी limiting factor क्या है? Supply of talent, right? Like the reason that roads in a certain part of India are not well, there is not enough water.
I guess will है, उससे पहले intent और will है.
हाँ, I'm sure. मतलब वही है कि मतलब supply of raw material भी कमी है ना. मतलब आपको अगर रोड बनानी है, आप पहले डेवलप्ड सिटी में बनाओगे कि अंडर डेवलप्ड सिटी में बनाओगे, पैसे कहाँ खर्च करोगे, क्योंकि कनेक्टिविटी इज अ प्रॉब्लम. आई थिंक ये सारी चीज़ें थोड़ी मैक्रो है. आई रियली डोंट थिंक एवरीबडी हैज द आंसर, बट आई थिंक पैटर्न वाइज हमें ये ट्रस्ट करना चाहिए कि every time there has been a technological revolution in a good way,
it has more abundance and
it has
better
created
off.
more jobs. It has like of course destroyed many, but net outcome सबके लिए better ही.
Provided you are a learner, provided you are evolving,
100%.
and you're not you know,
somebody who cannot involve, मतलब हाँ, there is a problem where somebody who does not use internet at all today and does like a very labor intensive job, that is a major problem.
और हमारे parents, at least I don't know about yours, my parents come from a same background wherein internet they didn't have access. अभी भी phone पे basic internet, basic.
वो ChatGPT नहीं use कर रहे उतना,
even emails.
हाँ, correct, emails भी नहीं. Correct. Yeah, so I agree. तो वो problem I think होगी, but I'm guessing people in an AI world will also be smart enough to figure this problem. The AI that will get created will figure out a solve for this as well. There'll be something. But yeah, people in that in the Bay Area, 80-kilometer radius, I think they're truly changing the world. And I think बहुत कुछ वहाँ हो रहा है. I think their imagination of how this is possible, right? Like सोचो हमारे country में food delivery, cars, construction, infrastructure projects, dams, just fundamental things like hunger, nutrition, ये सारी बहुत चीज़ें solve हो सकती हैं जो पहले पॉसिबल नहीं थी क्योंकि लोगों की प्रॉब्लम थी. इंडिया डज नॉट हैव ग्रेट, मतलब हेल्थ केयर इज ब्रोकन क्यों? क्योंकि डॉक्टर पेशेंट रेशियो कभी भी नहीं मैच किया. एडुकेशन इज अ प्रॉब्लम क्यों? क्योंकि एडुकेशन स्टूडेंट रेशियो कभी भी नहीं मैच किया, राइट? बट अब जो आपके पास टीचर अवेलेबल है फ़ोन पे, वही सेम टीचर इज अवेलेबल टू अ 5-year old with a different income level. So now there is equality actually. मेरे हिसाब से तो बहुत equality है क्योंकि smartness is now democratized.
So what is the differentiation now?
Capital is a differentiator and
Distribution.
self-learning, distribution, credibility, trust, authenticity. Just human relationships will always be a bigger thing, right? Like if I have same intelligence access, I will still trust you. Not for intelligence, but because of who you are and what I share with you as a connection. So that will always be important.
Interesting. I know, we are a bit tight on time.
Yeah.
Probably we do a part 2 or
Done.
probably, so we have a rapid fire, and generally my team create a script which I'd never follow. Sorry about that. But rapid fire is something which, it's always fun. So one founder you drop everything to interview.
Dipinder Goyal in India, Brian Chesky in the US, Airbnb.
Of course, I know Airbnb.
Yeah. For those who may not be aware.
I mean, I'm just kidding. We've been called Airbnb for students for a reason.
Oh, yeah.
One episode you are most proud of?
Ashish Dhawan.
That he is one I'm chasing. I mean, literally saying chasing because I've been introduced by Sanjeev sir and Pramod sir, but
Ashish Dhawan is a legend. I think massive respect. I think beyond a point, money is a driver, but what he's done for the country and for like
very passionate and very,
and very like he has presence in the room. And he's so articulate and so humble. I love him. Yeah. Amazing.
A guest who completely surprised you.
Completely surprised me. Dunzo's founder. Dunzo is now he's doing I think Flipkart Minutes. But Kabir, so usually every guest is like या तो बहुत articulate होते हैं, या तो बहुत structured होते हैं, या तो बहुत fun होते हैं. I think सारी चीज़ों का combination कम लोग होते हैं. Because usually like एक दो चीज़ें बहुत shine करती है. But he was structured, but funny, but also authentic and also like very smart and like very systematic. तो मुझे वो episode बहुत पसंद है. Like I was expecting great things, but not to that extent. So I love that conversation. Very good.
One founder cliche you never want to hear again. And you can name it also.
Founder cliche. I think this passion thing is definitely a bit overrated. I think you follow curiosity enough times to see what clicks and then it becomes your passion. It's not the other way around.
Yeah, totally.
मतलब सिर्फ ऐसे blind passion follow करने से नहीं होता.
Passion बनता ही नहीं है. Now see you are getting recognition. That's why probably you can say podcast is my passion.
हाँ, correct.
Otherwise
नहीं चल रहा
यही नहीं चल रहा होता तो
100%.
You go to a reaction when you read a trolling comment. People troll?
Not as much. Not as much actually.
Because you're not seeking views. You're not creating content which is which you might get views, but
ऐसा कुछ कभी उतना हुआ नहीं. हुआ है कभी-कभी कि मतलब I use some words very often, so people will be like okay or yeah. तो होता है like there are some comments. I think that's the only thing. Sometimes just maybe question की मतलब I am also an elaborate question person, right? लोग बोलते हैं कि कम पूछो. That's okay. I think मतलब
do you think podcast need to be a good listener?
Very. Podcaster has to be the best listener.
Listener or thinker?
Both, I think. I've read a book on listening because I wanted to become a better listener. Because I was like कि यार ये तो करना पड़ेगा. I think processing power बहुत फास्ट हो जाती है. मतलब मैं कंटेंट भी अभी 1.5x पे देखता हूँ. मैं 1x पे नहीं देख सकता.
पर वो पर्सनल लाइफ में दिक्कत होती है बिकॉज नाउ यू लाइक जल्दी बताना समझ आ गया ना. सो डू यू थिंक पर्सनल रिलेशन खराब होती है?
नहीं हो सकती है. आई सी द मेरिट इन दैट बट आई थिंक मुझे तो और काम ही बनाया है. लाइक आई थिंक मतलब आई एम यूजुअली अ फिजिटी पर्सन. आई वुड वांट टू सी माय फोन बट व्हेन आई एम इन अ पॉडकास्ट जैसे अभी आई डोंट केयर अबाउट एनीथिंग एल्स. आई थिंक दैट्स अ सुपर फास्ट. और वो अगर आप एक दो बार कर लो और अब मैंने 200 बार कर लिया है तो मुझे पता है कि व्हेन आई एम विद अ पर्सन लाइक इवन इफ इट्स लाइक I'm with my mom, I'm with my sister, I'm with my friends. I'm in complete attention. I think that's
you can able balance out between your personal life and your professional life because professionally, if I'm with you, I'm with you. And probably that's a passion or probably obsession or I don't know. But when I'm in personal life, if someone is slow, someone is like repeating things like हाँ जल्दी बताना, and then they don't feel good. They're like यार थोड़ा सा time. You're not
I
married,
think
right?
thoda to ho I'm not yet.
I wait for that to happen.
Yeah, maybe. But like I do see it. थोड़ा तो होता है, but I do think कि बहुत सारी चीज़ें transferable तो हो जाती हैं. जैसे I think personal life में भी like लोगों को attention देना, just like knowing how to just be present is such a big skill. मुझे तो लगता है, मैं तो कभी-कभी बोलता हूँ कि हर इंसान को कभी ना कभी 5 एपिसोड का पॉडकास्ट करके देखना चाहिए, क्योंकि आपकी प्रोसेसिंग, लिसनिंग, थिंकिंग, एक्सप्रेशन, आर्टिकुलेशन, मुझे याद है माई फर्स्ट 25 एपिसोड्स आई एडिटेड माई सेल्फ. तो 1 घंटे का एपिसोड मैं 3 घंटे लेके ऑडियो एडिट करता था. एंड द रीज़न वॉज नॉट टू से मनी, टाइम तो ज़्यादा ही लग रहा था और पैसे देते तो बल्कि ईजी होता, बट लर्निंग कर्व. आई वुड टेक नोट्स. आई रिमेंबर आई हैव टेकन 5 पेज नोट्स बिकॉज आई लव इट. और वो भी पता है नॉट बट जस्ट पर्सनल क्यूरियोसिटी. मुझे लगता था कि एंड आई स्टिल गो बैक टू मेनी ऑफ माई एपिसोड्स. मैं तो बोलता हूँ कि बेस्ट वे टू लर्न इज जस्ट गो बैक. लाइक लोग बोलते हैं कम्युनिकेशन ऑल दैट, राइट?
पुराने देख लो, अपना
खुद देख लो,
अपने आप पता चल जाता है.
करेक्ट. खुद का वॉइस नोट जो भेजते हो, लाइक दिस इज एप्लीकेबल फॉर एवरीवन. जस्ट लिसन टू. एंड एक पॉइंट भी अगर आप नोट करोगे तो मेरे पास एक कांस्टेंट फीडबैक शीट होती थी कि दीज क्वेश्चंस, दिस इज हाउ विल नॉट आस्क क्वेश्चंस अगेन, और दिस इज व्हाट आई विल नॉट डू, or this is what I will double down on. And I feel that was the best exercise I did. I think first 50 episodes I would invest a lot in learning, which I don't do anymore. I don't think मतलब मैं बैठ के हर एपिसोड इतनी intricately देखता हूँ, बट मैं पॉडकास्ट सुनता था दूसरे to get better at communication.
This is what I'm doing now.
हाँ,
वो आने
Think
लगा.
Fast Talk Smart करके एक पॉडकास्ट है जो स्टैनफोर्ड, Think Fast Talk Smart करके एक पॉडकास्ट है जो एक स्टैनफोर्ड प्रोफेसर करते हैं. अच्छा, पॉडकास्ट ऑन कम्युनिकेशन. मैंने बुक पढ़ी लिसनिंग पे बिकॉज आई वाज लाइक ये कैसे करना है. मैंने बुक पढ़ी ऑन कम्युनिकेटिंग वेल, लाइक हाउ डू यू, like one compliment I get is I build a deep connection with my guests, which is कि मतलब like vulnerability, like how can they open up, right? तो वो कैसे करना है, क्यों करना है, is there a better mechanism for it? अब तो मतलब by the way all of this you don't even have to do yourself. GPT पे search करो कि what are the best communication hacks in the top 10 TED Talks of the world, right? Most viewed. And you will get like 10 pointers that you can repeat, ask GPT to form an exercise for you, and you're through.
What are your fear?
I fear doing something that I don't love. I think one of the best things that happened to me, and I hope it continues to, is that when you don't have to worry about money and you get to do what you love, I think it makes for a great life.
That's the best combination.
Yeah, I think a lot of people do what they love.
That's not what, as Naval says, no? That's not work for you.
Correct, exactly. So I think that is what I'm very fortunate and blessed to. I think I would fear not being in that position, where I have to worry about money, or I have to worry about like doing something that I don't necessarily enjoy.
You want to remember as a podcaster or investor?
Investor.
I hope you. I'm happy that you didn't say as a good human being.
Yeah.
That's so cliche.
Yeah, no, I think that I hope will exist anyway. But yeah, remembered for, I think, a good investor.
So it was a planned strategy from you that you started podcast. It happened, and then because see, when I was going through your guest list, I'm like, okay, and that's what I told Payal that I'll share this as a last, that probably one playbook, and it's not right or wrong, that you want to meet people who are probably doing well because of startups or the investors, and eventually they can become a LP in your.
I wish. I think about that, but honestly, like अगर आप मुझे 5 साल पहले मिलते तो I didn't even know what venture capital was.
Last 2 साल, not 5 साल. वो पहले तो curiosity होगा.
After I started becoming an investor, I would like, I mean, वही है कि मतलब correlation काफी heavy है, but ऐसे like common denominator देखो, for I will only host somebody who will have great learnings to share. That I will not substitute. After that, if it is a plus that they can also add value to my life, that's great. Now that could be like Beachma hosted somebody like Ashish Dhawan. I hosted because I just love philanthropy as a curiosity subject, not because I had to. Aziz, I hosted Rocket Learning. Is a non-profit organization in education actually. 3 to 6 year olds को वो पढ़ाते हैं through an Anganwadi system. But because I think I want to someday do a philanthropic initiative in education. Personal curiosity. So they are great learnings. उसके बाद पर्सनल वैल्यू एड. नाउ पब्लिक कंपनी प्रमोटर्स बिकॉज ऑडियंस सेड एंड ग्रेट लर्निंग्स. इन द मिडल, या इफ देयर इज समबडी हु कैन आल्सो हेल्प मी, आई थिंक माय एलपी कन्वर्जन ऐसा नहीं है, इट हैपेंस एज अ it can't happen only because I call them. It will
It's a
only
byproduct.
happen.
Yeah, it's over a period of time. You know,
Correct.
it's like any investment.
So I didn't engineer it, but now yeah, if that is a good add-on. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं नहीं करूँगा क्योंकि उसकी वजह से मुझे फायदा होगा.
Right.
Like that wouldn't make
Yeah,
sense.
yeah.
But I will not just do it because क्योंकि मुझे फायदा होगा. I'm very clear about that, and I will never. I think just conscience ही मुझे नहीं allow करेगा वो करने के लिए. I'm just not built that way.
What are your 3 hacks? Let me do a short form.
Hacking, yes.
I'll try
3
to
hacks
that.
for.
Yeah, 3 hacks to guess the best guest.
get
You
the
got
best.
few really good one, and I'm
Yeah.
really impressed.
I think just like अब somebody actually, so I would derive a lot of joy कि लोगों को ईमेल करते रहो, फिर वो रिस्पॉन्ड करेंगे या लोगों को रीच आउट खुद करते रहो. फिर मुझे एक मेरे मेंटर ने बोला कि नहीं जिवराज, दैट डज नॉट वर्क. मतलब लाइफ लाइक जस्ट बिकॉज यू आर डूइंग द टफ पार्ट डज नॉट मीन यू विल गेट मोर आउटपुट.
Yeah.
तो ईजी वाली चीज़ करो और वो बेटर होता है. तो नाउ आई जस्ट फाइंड, जैसे मैं किसी को होस्ट कर रहा होता तो मैं उसके पहले रिसर्च करता हूँ ये मुझे किससे बात करवा सकता है. एंड इफ आई डू अ गुड जॉब एंड इफ आई एम कंफर्टेबल इनफ आई विल देन आस्क देम. I am very good at asking for help if I think I deserve it. So I will ask for it once I have a connection, and that's the only hack. I think the world needs to be 2 degree away.
Yeah.
And वही करना है. Podcast भी मैंने, I mean SF भी बहुत लोगों को directly भी message किया. You try everything. And then बहुत लोगों को मैंने via भी किया. And I think via वाले connections better ही work करते हैं.
क्या सबसे irritating है podcasting में?
Views नहीं आना when you want it to. I think you have to really disassociate yourself to the outcome.
Validation चाहिए होता है सबको.
हाँ, बहुत important है. But I do think मतलब I am now, that's also a great learning by the way. If you are so driven by the input, मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा मज़ा तब आता है कि जब मैं बहुत अच्छा हूँ and I know it. Like when I'm very well prepared, when I'm asking very good questions, I just know it. And that उसके बाद मैं ये भी नहीं देखता कितने views आते हैं.
खुद तो
You
पता
see
होता
every
है.
now and then, of course, ऐसा नहीं है कि इतना zen नहीं हो सकता कोई. And by the way, I don't even know if that's a great strategy. Like sometimes I wish I was more obsessed about views. Maybe I'd do better. Like I don't know. But I just now know that I will do a great job. I'll get enough views so that it is worth a guest's time. I don't want to like waste their time ever. But I will not optimize for the only thing. I will give my input. Like when Sanjeev Bikhchandani's episode for me did really well. Like he was 70-80K views, and that's when like I think a couple of these news outlets also picked it up. Money Control wrote an article on it. So I think it's not like मैंने उस episode में कुछ भी different किया था. I just kept focusing on the input. I think ये learning भी founders से ही है. Founders 5-10 साल बहुत काम करते हैं. फिर कुछ चीज़ें चलती हैं and then it becomes really successful.
Is this your way to, because you are over and over again saying that views, I'm not much, I mean, it impact you, but I'm not obsessed about views. Because you're not getting views the way most of podcasters or most of content creator, ये अपने को एक
Could be, but
जस्टिफाई करने का भी तरीका है कि नहीं मैं तो क्वालिटी ही देखता हूँ, मुझे व्यूज से फर्क नहीं पड़ता. पड़ता भी तो बहुत थोड़ा सा पड़ता है.
actually मैं starting से ऐसे हूँ.
बहुत brain is very smart.
It could be. I don't think I've introspected to that extent where it is a coping mechanism. Would I be happier with more views? 100%. Do I optimize for it? No, I don't. So I do think, मतलब, I feel most at peace with this mechanism. And मेरे लिए the comfort thing is, am I bettering my input every new episode? That I am doing. So मुझे actually भी life में वही matter करता है. I think in investing also like output तो मतलब 7-8 साल बाद आता है. तो आप तो sure ही नहीं कर सकते कुछ. हाँ, अगर आता है तो. So you don't know anything that way, but you can focus on the input. I think life is about that. And if I've done the right input, every now and then views भी आते हैं. ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं आते. तो I think that becomes the good part. You shouldn't वही है, मतलब stagnate नहीं होना.
ऐसे कभी नहीं हुआ कि like you reach out to someone and they are like showed very interest, but after they have gone through and they have like मैं तो रणवीर में गया था, राज में गया था, मुझे इतने व्यूज आते हैं. अब मैं इस पे जाऊँगा तो I risk that and people committed and then they backed out. And you get to know. एक तो होता है logistically and genuinely, there is a reason. But did you any such episode, any such experience?
We've had common guests, and I think मेरे लिए somebody's backed out because lack of views. People may not have said yes. I don't think they backed out. People, of course, don't say yes. वो तो chicken and a problem है ही कि मतलब some very famous person will not say yes. In fact, there's been a guest whom Raj introduced me to, and didn't come because he's like, I've committed to others and they're bigger. I was fair with that.
Fair.
The good part is, as I said, like I mean, जब आप abundance mindset से चल रहे हो, a couple of things can't stop you.
Everything are worked as per our plans. Cool. And any last bit you want to give suggestion, advice, or feedback, or any question, or grill me?
No, I'm not the grilling kind or the advice kind. I just think like if people, yeah, I think everybody just needs to figure out what works for them. Like I really got lucky. I think that's the other thing. I mean, I have a lot of gratitude. I got really lucky to discover something I truly love, enjoy, and thrive in. And I don't have to worry a lot about like things like money, is it working, am I good at it, and because those things are fortunately touchwood
Taken
working
care.
out for me, so I'm glad. And
Yeah.
if everybody figures a version of that for themselves, it works out really well. Life works out.
No,
Yeah.
I am very impressed, very happy. As 26, so much clarity. कहाँ से आ रही clarity है?
लोगों से
Meditation.
आई थिंक नहीं, लोगों से और इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करने से आई रियली थिंक लाइक people can really change your life. I mean, if you meet the right set of people, and that's the best thing. I genuinely believe that some of this is like, I mean, everybody ends up making money, doing well in life. I think in some version, some do it better, more, sooner, later. But I think what sometimes gets missed is like how happy you
The
are
journey.
in the moment. As the journey wala to I think cliche hai hi, but it genuinely matters if you are like at peace, enjoying, and thriving. And I think that I feel most fortunate about.
Amazing.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Such
Thank
a
you.
pleasure.
Thank you so
much for
Thank
having
you.
me.
So I believe today's episode it's a very different episode. I was not trying to learn for my industry, which are generally very very curious and curious and look forward for. But today's journey from someone who is probably half my age or probably 15 years younger than me, but super impressed by his sanity, by his calm, composed articulation, and he knows what he's been trying to do. Not many Gen Z I come across who are so clear, who are so structured, and I have no qualm taking feedback, candid suggestions, to master my art over a podcaster, because I'm not a natural podcaster, right? But you know he had done interviews of the biggest company in India. I mean, I got lucky few times, but he been consistently getting guests, which probably I will envy. I am envying that guest, right? But how he figured that out, how he been at it, good to see that we have the same, most of the value ethics are same. It was great to see someone almost half my age, being doing so good with absolute clarity, and he's been enjoying the journey. He's not at it. He's not like by this time I need to achieve this, by this much I need to achieve it. He's been driven by quality. He's been driven by genuine connections, And as we always say now, the biggest differentiator in this post GPT AI era will be authenticity. So I generally find him very authentic. I generally find probably we will be a good friend. Not because I will gain out something out of him or he will gain something out of me, but just genuine curiosity to learn, to introduce, to get connected with people who we can all learn and probably do bigger things together. So on that note, thank you so much.